Raidon ne peta osani unilu atupuruchu nes apote Esisiak Luko St. Kizito Technical Institute mareda atukoto nyini na etemonokina na amotokano okarulo ya rate kanyo nyura na pulo noi ogeona tare idea ket odakito sa popular nu ewadi katai akiro no mamu etala kartos case ebe ikeyo kapuno somero emamuda ishena kino case
apasa ikose uri yake wanyu itosi chanoka wakore mucheri aichichilisa ati no kau koni kukuni jidoluni sone itongale ibiroro kera libiroro da populado pe ebaka je itachilukumi kwa kanyare keda kaisare anuja sada popula okaruje lwaje okaruje lisoma to serite kitato sa kaisare konyalo lana ejula kinosa kiro eyanga principal emikisa some project we are supposed to do project enyunyure ngeta unoi doma mnge yala ma because the ponele lo mnatika pu etone ponele lo yes yala ma sesi
asanen ilo jajo ni tamti jobe shoma bakebe mamede be matalo sindonyo no shom bibo ngori jore isapano ra tena rijo ebe nganga mamor bakache be shom tingi nyobe jeni mamori jeni ya somari mwalimu itanji class sonyo itan
lakini nani mikano no sai nyama anu ikapu be mamuti tactics emiki sai nyama dobo wokode la tamu ya alimoki ni sa soma nyite test ebe yani mami some test ebe tela mun 10,000 fe test dobo bo erutari sore dai nani lo azaldo sa nyito dai tela mun usika puni pope sa pipila pugani na
we are
going to sit today, yeah? I'm going to call the Kizito.
Mama chora muna potu ijekisi RCC ai napakintoni akiara rosomero anyara on Angurian na tipet kidinye siadikna ka Esisiak ido David ebamu Apollo Kinton ai bunyete nyini na etemonokina amotokano koto rosomero kangoli nyesida etorontai noi yesabu ochamu iteteme be.
I went to dance garage. There is no panel beating, serious panel beating. I even went to Puyo. There was no serious panel beating. I told them, let's get this material so that you also get to know the texture of the paints. I am going to invite the person who has been practicing it, and I have his telephone contact here. They did not understand us.
What they are saying that you are given the money and your own board material is not true.
Of course, the accounting officer is here. The Basa is there. I don't know how much money I have been given. It is true. As I told you, UBTEB has also started on us. At the first we said one project per year, but now again they came with another project every time. It beats us also.
Etororontai Beatrice Sara adutu na era Apollo Kinton somero kanu akanike aitoso mao ai Russia edue konye odaunite nyesi ai yenu nepepeka ai ke apia enu somero komamei achamanara nepekira woriak.
I retired on the 20th of this month, and the retirement and handover was supposed to be attended and witnessed by the fellow, but he delegated. When you're retired, you cannot transact anything. It will be illegal.
Party emoko loerai Apollo Kinton no Esisiak ibuga soroti nesabu ichora ke Esisiak I search akiranu amumu usolete I dongo as your man.
Do you think you can go in front and teach these people? Can you? So you are at the mercy of your instructors. They are the ones guiding you to your destined future and career.
5 issues raised. The issue of no practicals. The resolution is the head of department has identified where the materials are. He's only waiting for money to be given to him to go and pay for those materials so that they are brought here for practicals. And the challenge is there is a lacuna in leadership. The principal has retired, she cannot sign any document, and no financial transaction. So they have to be patient until the ministry sends a substantive principal who will now transact financially. Number 2, the issue of teaching. Teaching, yes, some teachers have gone for upgrading, but now the resolution is some teachers have been outsourced to caretake the teaching. The issue of the suspension, the ingredients did not add up. And so I've presented the suspension, the student will come back, but continue with the school rules and regulations, observance. I've also cautioned the teacher that they should regularize the persons to ring the bell for meals. Not every student. That practice must stop. The issue of registration has also been handled.
Kanoa TV East, Tolbert Edaiti, Ka Alfred Ot Atwau, Koibuga, Kalo Soroti.